you can see there are students which marks are scored. The names are like this in a jumble way. A, B, C, D, I have just given the name. Well, now I want to do the sorting. What I will do, I am selecting this particular average, okay, and I am selecting this one, sort largest to smallest. It is in the data. As I click, it is asking expand the selection or continue with the current selection. Expand the selection because we have to change everything accordingly. You can see now the 31 has gone to the top, and accordingly the rest of the students whose marks are less, they are coming to the bottom. Fine.